got the Tascam 2488 for the studio, and I'm upgrading the software from version 1.03 to 1.04. First, you hold down the monitor source button and the shutdown button at the same time while you turn the power on, which is the button in the back of the unit. And you keep those held down until you see the CD player tray pop out, and you'll see the screen saying preparing update. And then you take the image which you take from the Tascam website. There'll be a specific download page for the Tascam 2488. Once the CD tray pops out, you put that CD with this image that you obtained from the Tascam website in and press yes. It says system update, please insert CD. Are you sure? You press yes. It says prepare update. And that's all there is to it. And it's on version 1.03, as you can see right now. And it asks you, when it reads the CD, it will ask you, do you want to update from version 1.03 to version 1.04? And you just put yes. And it says, system update caution. Now updating. Do not power off. Once that's all done, it's going to pop out the CD and it's going to tell you to power off the unit. And once you power the unit back on, you will see here shortly how it has been updated. So I'm taking the CD out. And as I said, it says right there, shut down complete, please power off. So I'll power it off. And as I power it back on, you're going to see the CD tray pops in by itself. And then you're also going to see version 1.04, which is the latest version, right there in the bottom. Thank you for watching.